Hey fellow gamers, welcome to Gaming Basics, your one-stop solution for mastering the essentials. Let's dive in and level up together. In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy butter in Genshin Impact. To do so, you first need to launch your game via the Epic Games Launcher, and once you're in game, search for the restaurant icon, which is signified by the spoon and fork right here. So go near it, and to talk to the NPC, press F, like so. And then select the first option, which will bring up the restaurant menu. And from the menu, search for butter. It's right over here. Click on it. And then on the bottom right side of your screen, you'll see an option called Purchase. Click on it. As you can see, it's going to cost me 240 Mora to buy this. So to go through with the purchase, click on this Purchase button right here, and your item will be added to your inventory. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up. And if you have any questions for us, please feel free to mention us in the comment section down below. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest guides and tutorials. This has been your host Ace. Happy gaming!